I appointed you is because I knew you have the capacity to do the job you're doing. Are we there? Okay. So, because you have my goodwill and you have my support, and those of you who have bothered to even send me a WhatsApp message to ask, what should I do? You can confirm that I have replied. Right? You haven't written, so there should be nobody here who will say that, oh, you know, I made the wrong decision because I didn't have guidance. Get guidance from your principal secretaries, get guidance from your cabinet secretaries, from the next person. And if unfortunately you still are not clear of where you want to go, send me a text, do me a letter. I will help you, I will support you, because in your success is mine. In you making the right decisions, we all get the benefit of moving the country forward. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am really happy that we are here. I want to thank David and his team of advisors. They have worked with me to support all the state departments on many aspects, and we are working together to make sure that nobody is left behind, no state department is left behind, and no ministry is left behind. So I look forward to working with each and every one of you as we go into the events of this year. And I'm very confident that we shall measure up ultimately to the expectations and the aspirations of the people of Kenya. Otherwise, asanteni sana. It's been a great 3 days being here together, and I am very confident that we can now look into the next 12 months with a lot of